I'm the Snob, a celebrity hair artist, and in this episode, I'm going to be showing you guys the hacks and hairstyles to get your hair from 0 to 100. So the first hack is how to get your old wig voluptuous again. So we're going to be using this wig. Ugh. You have to be patient. You don't want your lace to be completely bald because that's not the vibe. So now the hair is dry, we're gonna do the flow test. And what is the flow test? We're gonna test if this hair is completely dry and it's flowing in the wind. So we're just gonna shake it around, and you can see it's doing that little S shape. It means it's dry. Yourself a little massage, baby.
I look gorgeous.
Sometimes being on set, things happen so fast, you just have to improvise. But as long as you're getting the desired result, that's all that matters, honey. Look at that. Look at this. Oh my gosh, a revamp, slick, smooth, sweet, honey. And you're ready to go. Go and take some pictures on the gram, honey. Now, I get asked all the time how I get my Glassy swoop fringes. So I'm gonna show you how to make that banger glossy. So let me tell you the trick, guys, because a lot of people get this so wrong. Some people take out too much hair. So here we are, see the party. Brill. And just take out a segment of hair. Perfect. The trick is to section it. A lot of people just do it all at once. Now we're gonna use the bad boy piece of equipment. We just wanna get the roots flattened with the hot comb. You can see already the glassy look is starting to form. So now we've completed this swoop, we've got the glassy effect, but guess what? We're gonna do the glossy effect. Glass and gloss. Hey. Yes, honey. And honey, I'm telling you, when you take your Instagram pics, your fringe will be popping, like popping. This is an Instagram worthy swoop fringe, honey. This is bomb. So now we're gonna start with the edges, and I'm gonna give you 2 different methods, yes. So you need to use your mini straighteners. That's between me and you guys, don't tell nobody. We got swoopy hair. So nice fluffy baby hair, honey. Just to get that natural look, you know. Look how pretty that is. You're just gonna spray a little bit of hairspray on your brush. Use the brush and use your finger and just swoop. And there we have it. There's on the baby hairs, honey. This is perfect for Instagram, perfect for the fluffy look. And now I'm gonna show you how to do it, but with a slick down look. And there we have it. If you want more of that wet look on your baby hairs, that slick down look, you can get that with the mousse, the slick down effect. Picture perfect. Thank you for watching this episode of Secrets of the Celebrity Hairstylist with me, the Snob. Make sure you like and subscribe to see more videos like this in this series on 49 Looks.